In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can install the Zawgyi Keyboard on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply click on the Time and Language. Then we have to click on Language and Region. Then simply click on Add a Language. So here simply type Burmese. So we are into the Burmese language, and then click on Next. Click on Install. So this is now downloading and this will be installing for the basic typing. As you can see. So you just have to wait for this, and once this is done, then you can simply click from here on the switch input methods on the taskbar, and then simply choose Burmese. And now let's open on-screen keyboard. As you can see on the Windows search bar, this is typing into that language. So let me go to accessibility, scroll down to keyboard, and then enable on-screen keyboard. And as you can see, we have done the installing the Zawgyi keyboard on our Windows 11. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.